Hello everybody, welcome to the best cooking show in the whole wide world.
The best cooking show on the internet.
No. The whole wide world.
Same.
Today we're making everybody's favorite food. I'm gonna put it out there. I think if you took a survey of everybody in the whole wide world and you asked what your favorite food is, pizza would be close to number one. One of those dishes that everybody just loves. Except for those weird people that don't like cheese.
That's like people that don't like garlic bread.
Very strange people.
Very strange, yeah.
Oh, both our sisters don't like garlic bread.
Your sister doesn't like garlic bread.
No, she doesn't like garlic bread.
Yeah, I'll never trust my sister because she doesn't like garlic bread.
It's a sad day when you can't even trust your own family.
Anyway, you guys think we're making pizza. We are. But what kind of pizza?
We're making Chicago style pizza.
Deep dish pizza.
Now, we're gonna put a disclaimer out there. People from Chicago get very upset if you make it wrong.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
So I'm gonna put a disclaimer out there. We're just following a recipe we found online. If you don't wanna call it Chicago pizza, that's fine.
I just call it a deep dish pizza.
Deep dish, okay, we just call it deep dish pizza. This isn't Chicago, I take it back, this isn't even Chicago style pizza.
No. I watched a few different recipes and they all were very similar.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, well then this is Chicago style pizza. And if you say otherwise, you're the one that's wrong. No, I'm just joking. We gotta get started because the dough takes a while, doesn't it? Let's do it, pal.
Ready? Oh.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
I scratched my nose.
Oh no.
So we're gonna start with 210 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of polenta.
30 grams for you, pal?
Spot on.
Is that not beautiful, guys?
That is
Beautiful.
really pretty. Half a teaspoon salt. 6 grams of white sugar. 3.5 grams of yeast. 150 mils of slightly warm water. Not hot water, that'll also kill the yeast.
Don't kill the yeast.
Don't.
The yeast is innocent.
And then 30 grams of melted butter, which is also not hot.
I finished the dough. It's looking really, really good. Probably one of the best pizza doughs I've ever made.
I told you, your dough skills are getting better and better each time.
They actually are. All right, what are we doing, pal?
So now, why do you keep calling me pal?
Because that's my thing,
Okay.
all right? Every chef needs their thing. My thing is I call everybody pal.
Well, last time you were calling me sir.
Well, it's pal today. Pal.
Anyway, we need to lightly grease the bowl with olive oil.
Bit of olive oil going in. I'll just grease it with my hands, eh?
Yeah.
I got clean hands, guys. I wash my hands, trust me. I'm not one of those people that you see who go into the bathroom and then they walk out with it without
Disgusting.
I don't know what's wrong with those people, but my hands are clean.
So put it in the bowl and then kind of toss the bowl around so it's covered in oil as well.
Nice and coated.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder how big it's got to get.
It's gonna double in size.
Oh, I'm so silly. I was thinking like, oh, I hope this dough is enough, forgetting that it literally doubles in size.
It will double in size and then we'll go pop and it will pop.
I'm like, what happens when you pop it? What do you mean?
It just like deflates. You'll see once it comes out, guys, we'll see.
Anyway, now we're gonna cover it tightly with aluminium foil. Aluminum.
So this goes in the oven for 2 hours or in a warm environment for 2 hours?
1 to 2 hours until it's doubled in size. So we'll do it for 1 hour and check on it, I reckon.
Luckily though, here's one I prepared earlier. I'm just joking, we didn't prepare one earlier. You guys can just come back in 2 hours and it'll be ready. Y'all ready for this?
Yeah. It's only been 1 hour.
Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Ta-da!
Wow.
So you can see it's doubled in size. And now it's gonna start deflating. Wow, it feels amazing. Have a feel of it.
Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, it's so warm.
It's very airy almost. It's got like this kind of pocket of crispiness because like you kind of pop it and it's like airy.
Yum.
It's kind of cool.
So we're gonna put it onto the bench, a floured bench. And And then we're kind of just gonna roll it out into like a large kind of circle, rectangle kind of thing.
All right, so we've gotten about 20 grams of butter and we're just gonna rub it all over the dough.
And now you roll it kind of like into a log. Yeah.
Like so. Yep, and then back into a ball, right?
Yeah.
There we go, guys. We've incorporated the butter. Now she's gonna rest in the fridge for 1 more hour. With all good pizza doughs, you gotta have patience. 1 hour in the fridge.
All right, while it's resting for the second time in the fridge, we're gonna move to the stove to make the sauce.
Saucy.
And oh, it's one hell of a sauce. First, we're gonna melt some butter in the saucepan. Then we're gonna add to it some grated onion, salt, oregano, basil, and some chili flakes. Once the onion is browned, we're gonna add some garlic and some diced tomatoes. And then we're gonna lower it down to a simmer and simmer it for 30 minutes.
So the dough's been in the fridge for over an hour now for us because we've been busy. We just went out to get a coffee, you know, as you do when you're waiting for pizza dough to rise. We finished the sauce as well. Have a look at this, guys. It actually tastes really good, to be honest. Let me taste that one.
It's good?
It's really good. You can really taste the herbs and there's nice spiciness to it.
Oh yeah, it's actually got quite a kick.
It's got a huge kick.
The cheese better counteract it because I don't like spicy food, especially spicy pizza. I've never really had a spicy pizza.
That's delicious. Really garlicky and really tastes the oregano. It's actually one of the best pizza sauces I've had.
Wow, I really love oregano, and I love to call it oregano.
No, we're in Australia. We say oregano.
No, but it's so fun to say oregano.
No. Let's do the big dough reveal. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves.
Oh, I'm gonna sip my coffee.
There we go, that's looking good.
That's looking really good.
It's gotten kind of fluffy.
Oh yeah, so you gotta get all the air out of it again.
I wish you guys could feel this texture. I don't know, it's got a nice kind of, it's got like this kind of nice just nice feel to it.
Wow, that's so nice. Yeah, that's buttery. When you take your finger off it, my finger is like greased with butter.
Yep.
That's so good. So now we gotta flour the bench again and roll it out.
Let's do it, pal. It's one of the best pizza doughs I've ever worked with as well.
You have made quite a bit of pizza dough before, haven't you?
I've made a few, yeah.
Yeah.
They've never turned out this good. Usually they've always turned out really dry, but I didn't know any better. Now that I know what a good kind of dough should feel like, now I know.
Fun fact, my family is Italian, and besides from my nonna, no one makes any Italian food. We don't make our own pizza, we don't make our own pasta. Now Daniel's obviously not Italian, but he makes his own pizza, makes his own pasta.
I do.
You love Italian food and you always say that, what's the opposite of lucked out? Like it's a real letdown for you that I'm Italian and you're not getting any benefits of having an Italian girlfriend.
Well, yeah, that's true. My parents used to always say that because I loved Italian food so much growing up that I'd probably get an Italian wife who would cook me heaps of Italian food, but I mean, I did get an Italian girlfriend, but let's see whether this works. Ah! Oh, not too shabby, Daniel.
You are literally like a professional. What the heck?
And just kind of let it go in.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Maybe I should become a baker. I feel like this is what bakers would do.
Yeah. No.
What do you guys reckon, guys? I've outdone myself there. We've outdone ourselves.
Why
Yeah.
do you always like give the credit to us? Like you're doing it.
Because we're a team.
I just tell you what to do.
We're a team.
Cook.
All right, so do we just put all the cheese in now?
Yes, so first we start with mozzarella cheese. This is 2 cups of mozzarella cheese.
Damn, and we grated this ourselves because if you get the stuff that's already pre-grated, there's like flour on it, so it doesn't stick together and that doesn't melt well. It does not, I'm telling you. Because the problem is we probably needed a smaller tin.
Yeah.
Because this one's a bit big, so the cheese doesn't come up the sides a lot. This was the smallest kind of spring form
Well,
one we
honestly,
could find.
it was the only size.
It was the only one?
Yeah, because in stage 4 lockdown, no stores are open, so I had to get it from the supermarket.
Yeah, that's all right. I think that's good.
Yum. Next up is whatever toppings you want. So we have chosen pepperoni
Nice.
and some sliced black olives.
Is there like a traditional topping that Chicago pizza has? Or is just you do what you want?
Yeah, well, in all the recipes, it's either like no toppings, just cheese and sauce, or like pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Yeah, olives was.
Do you want like pepperoni just on one side or how do you want it?
Oh, I don't mind to make the whole thing pepperoni.
Whole thing pep?
And olives. Now, our pepperoni in the supermarket is a little bit big. It's not like the cute little sizes that I see in the movies. Slightly disappointed. Oh, I wondered if you were going to sprinkle them on or just place them perfectly on. Yum.
I'm sorry if this is not traditional Chicago toppings, but sometimes in life you just gotta eat food the way you like it.
I'm not sorry.
Okay, I'm not sorry
This
either.
is our
Fuck you
pizza.
guys.
Hey, this is our pizza. We're going to do it how we want to.
Yeah, I just feel like it's gonna be so heavy and buttery and everything that I would like some olives to cut through it.
And then that's the only toppings we're using today.
Yep.
So the rest is the sauce. So put all of the sauce over the toppings.
Oh my God, guys. We've been waiting for hours and hours because of the dough and we're finally ready to chuck it in the oven. There we go. Deep dish pizza completo.
No,
No,
no.
no.
So I'm thinking let's just put a little bit of olive oil around the top of the crust.
What?
So it's nice and golden.
I thought with all the butter was already gonna be nice and golden, but apparently we need more fat in this.
And then you thought it was done.
But it ain't. I thought it was done.
You need to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Yum. All right, guys, chuck it in the oven.
That looks like a work of art.
That looks really good. 20 to 30 minutes in the oven until it's nice and golden.
See you guys in 20-30 minutes.
Bye. I'm nervous. You cut it.
No, you cut it. All right, guys, look at this beautiful curation we've made. It turned out really good. Good height. I think it was a really good idea that I cut those really excess bits because otherwise it went up to like here. Oh, the crust is good, I think. I didn't get a thing for you.
noticed you didn't get a plate for me. It's
Okay,
alright.
I'll go get one for you.
That is the perfect slice of a deep dish pizza. Nice and thick crust. Beautiful. It's like very good to hold. Thank you.
Oh man, my first ever attempt.
Cheers. The sauce. It's spicy. It sure has a kick to it.
And the good thing, usually I eat kind of thicker crust and I don't like it because it's a bit too doughy.
Yeah.
This ain't bad.
When I get a big chunk of just mozzarella cheese, it's so perfect. Definitely recommend getting a bowl and grating it yourself. It's all about the sauce for me.
Is that the sauce for you?
Yes. It's a bit spicy for me. I never really put chili flakes on my pizza.
What do you
It's
reckon?
doughy, fluffy, but crispy still. I really don't taste the pepperoni or olives. Mostly it is the sauce that is the prominent flavor, which is not a bad thing. Oh, that is the cutest little slice. It's gonna be over in 2 bites.
It's quite creamy because there's quite a lot of mozzarella cheese.
This is just a really nice, hearty slice of pie, slice of pizza. I hate calling pizza pie, but this kind of pizza is like a pie.
Kind of like a pie. Hey, if after a long day of work, maybe a Friday, and I'm exhausted from work and I get home to one of these, and I sit on the couch and watch some TV, I'd be pretty happy. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching our attempt at a Chicago style pizza.
Next time, what will we make? I don't know. We shall wait and see.
No, we do know. It's gonna be your birthday, so we're gonna make a birthday cake or something for you.
Oh, I'm thinking for my birthday, I want to make some lokomatis. Is that how you say it?
Lokomatis, yeah.
Lokomatis, some Greek donuts. This year, I want to be a bit unconventional and not have a whole cake since we're in lockdown and I can only have my mum and Daniel on my birthday. So we don't need a whole cake. So stay tuned for some Greek donuts.
Okay, bye everybody.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna have another slice.
Yeah.
Just a little sliver.
Okay, me too.
Just